Christina, and today I want to show you how to create a neat edging for summer knits. This is my linen top. As you can see, it has a raw edge, and I'm going to walk you through a simple technique to give it a beautiful, clean finish. I've also made a swatch in wool yarn to show you how this looks on a different fiber, so you can absolutely use this technique for winter knits too. First things first, use a smaller needle size than your main needles and pick up stitches along the edge according to your gauge. For my gauge, I pick up 2 stitches and skip the third. On the other swatch, I'm using the standard pickup rate, 3 stitches for every 4 rows. The right ratio really does depend on your individual knitting gauge, so swatch first if you are unsure. When you reach a straight, horizontal section of the neckline, pick up every stitch. While I'm picking up the stitches, let me show you the inspiration for this linen top. A pretty simple design with a lovely neckline detail I really wanted to try. If you notice any gaps or holes forming, pick up an extra stitch to close them. Don't be afraid to adjust as you go. After picking up all the stitches, knit 7 rows, enough to wrap around the trim on the wrong side of plain stockinette stitch. Here's how it looks once you pick up all the stitches and completed those 7 rows. Now take a crochet hook the same size as the needles you used for picking up the stitches. And here is a technique step by step. Find the stitch directly below the loop on your needle. Follow that column of the stitches down the very bottom of the picked up section. Insert the crochet hook right under that edge trim on the wrong side. Insert the hook into the live loop on the needle. When you have 2 loops on the hook, make a slip stitch to join them. This creates that lovely braid on the front. And make sure you don't twist the stitches as you work. A twisted stitch will show and affect the look of your braid. You can keep the stitch on the needle while you pull the loop through, but personally I find it a little faster to slip it off first. Do whatever feels more comfortable to you. Here's how the wrong side looks. It's nice and stretchy as long as you don't pull the crochet loops too tight. A good rule of thumb is to keep your tension relaxed and consistent throughout. I love how this turns out. It's such a neat, polished edging for summer knits, and it looks especially beautiful with linen yarn. Summer yarns can be tricky when it comes to weaving in ends, and I find this folded double trim is absolutely perfect for hiding yarn tails neatly and securely. Simply tuck tails between 2 layers of the folded band. If you made it this far, thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it was helpful. And when you are done here, I would love to check out my tutorial on how to knit a sandwich edge neckline. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!